Well, I'm gonna open up some of these packages. Came with 3. The rest of these are the ones I've already opened. But it comes with a 3-pack, so let's open them up. And here we go. Let's check this out. Oh, nice. I got a nice planes that are holograph. Olog High Crusher. Easterling Vanguard. Haradrim Spearmaster. Rohirrim Lancer. Strider, Ranger of the North. The greatest traveler and huntsman of this age of the world. Eowyn, Lady of Rohan. Reprieve. Many Partings. Frodo, Adventurous Hobbit. Elrond, Master of Healing. Nimrodel, Watcher. Orc Army. Round 2. Nice. Nice bit of artwork. Basic lands. Now for wrath. Now for ruin. Breaking of the Fellowship. Glorious Gale. Dreadful as the Storm. Rise of the Witch King. Ferocious Fell Beast. Shadow Summoning. Theoden, King of Rohan. Rosy Cotton of South Lane. Doors of Durin. Rangers Firebrand. I won't even try to pronounce that word. That's it. We're going for a Gandalf. Can we get a Gandalf? Hey, there's another nice one. It looks like Sam and Frodo. Samwise the Stout-Hearted. Nice plains, it's the Shire, that's cool. Nasty End. I believe that is Wormer Grimtongue and the White Wizard Saruman. Piercingall Patrol. Shelob's Ambush. There's the big spider. Hobbit Sting. Oath of the Grey Host. Bill Fennery, Bree Swindler. Bill the Pony. Stu the Conies. Peregrine Took. Spiteful Banditry. Ferocious Fell Beast. And Reaper of Shelorid. Still no Gandalf. Oh well. Anyways, I got it for the really nice 10 with Gandalf on the front, so it was worth it. Everything else I just clicked for the art, so you guys have a great one.